Hi, my name is John Knight. I'm from England. I trained here at Academia Sanchez Casal in the past, and my best memory here was when I went on ITF tournament in Ecuador and Peru.
Hi, my name is Jenny Krivoruchko. I've been a professional tennis player last year. My best ranking was 500, and I'm attending by a professional course of coach. And my best memory here in Sanchez Casal was making a final in a 10,000 ITF.
Dani Sorribas, you are delivering the coach course.
Thank you. Hello. I am very proud that former pupils now are doing our coach course, that I understanding from a different side how to teach properly our philosophy of training. So we are very proud of that. And anyway, we have a lot of coaches from different places that they were not former players, but they are able and they want to learn our system.
Yeah, I'm Samuel Yao from Singapore. I visited our Sanchez Casal and I decided to come here and really impressed with the system here, Sanchez Casal, and the Spain way of training the tennis players. And the coaches here are very fantastic. It's Daniel, he is very open, and the other coaches also very open into sharing their system with us. Yeah, great, Sanchez.